Good morning, friends. For today's morning bin, we're going to do a count and color. So I'm going to start with the leaves. I'm going to count all the leaves. Now, to make sure I counted them, I'm going to put a little dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm looking and I'm double checking. I'm going to go back to all the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I found 8 leaves. So next to the leaf, I'm going to write the number 8. All right, then I'm going to go on. And next I would do my flowers. So again, I would put a little dot. 1, 2, 3, 4. I found 4 flowers. So I'm going to go down, across, and down some more. That's how you write the number 4. I'm going to have you do the rest on your own. You're going to count the pies next. So count how many pies there are and write the number. Then do the gravy boat, the squash, and the ear of corn. When you're all done, you're going to neatly color in your pictures. Remember, very best kindergarten coloring. Mrs. Newlands and I will see you soon.